Hey people, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, yeah man, come with me. We are going to Portland. So yes people, your girl, I went back to Jamaica. I originally went to Kingston, but today was just I guess you could say a fun day out. We didn't plan anything. We just literally said, you know what? Let's say where they take way. And it did take way all the way up Portland. Yeah. So me say, you know what, let me just record and take on with me. Oh look there, look how me cute people. But yeah, we reached Portland. But anyway, when we did reach Portland, we did end up go somewhere called Somerset Falls. If una ever been to Duns River Falls, it's basically like that, but it's like the BLP. I've done River Falls is the best way I can describe it to you. See there, yeah, Somerset Falls. Then did have something called dry tour and a wet tour, and like me say, it wasn't planned. So me and my family go up on a dry tour, cause you know we never have nothing for swimming now. But people may not like to the way them did a hype up this year tour, yeah, like it was something so good, like it was something you couldn't miss. And people, because it's called a tour and you have to go on a boat, and true say we're on a boat right now we're on a boat. I mean things are somewhere far away ago, because we have to depend on a boat, people. Yeah, and people is just down there, so it's just down there, so people will not go far, alright, that's so people. So that's why I made it think, oh, it's something great. But people are just down there, so we go see a waterfall. Don't get me wrong, people. Me love them your things, yeah. Them your kind of nature, them your kind of view, yeah. But people, me did I expect more from all them did I chat. And thinking about it, me sure they'd know better. Because that is a Jamaican talent. They can make anything sound good and sell anything. But people, we are come up now to the best part of the tour. The waterfall. Enjoy. So yes people, that was the end of the tour. Yes, it was a nice experience, but I was expecting more. Una tell me what una think, and me open it did enjoy a little tour too. Anyway now, people, pan the way out. You see this your parrot here? You see this your parrot here? Him think me a fool, people. Imagine, the parrot a watch me, but him a go on like he now watch me, Una the scene head turn, if you never see it rewind. Him a go on like some want him like him not say enough goat pan road for Korea. What me a do with parrots? Anyway, people, with the pan way back at Kingston, me think we they got eat or something, but me never did record that. But anyway, people, me just want to say, you see this view, people, I could watch it all day. It brings so much peace, it brings so much joy. Me just love it. But people, that is the end of the video. Thank you for journeying with me and tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another video.